in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear.
Hello everyone, for today's video I am going to be using hair from ULOFEY. This hair comes with a thank you note, a 24 inches 13 by 6 lace wig, HD wig cap, a hairband, and eyelashes. I usually don't use the eyelashes, so it comes with the eyelashes. This is the 24 inches 13 by 6 lace wig. This is pure baby hair. It is kinky straight human hair. I mean, the texture is so soft, and inside it has a very stretchy hair cap, Swiss lace that is very gentle on the scalp. It also has the strap that is elastic. This hair can be found on ULOFEY.com. They have varieties of hair, pure human hair. This is the kinky straight 24 inches 13 by 6 baby hair. It is pure human hair. You can visit their website to see different human hair they have. I'm gonna be trimming out this front lace just to enable me apply the wig on my hair correctly, because I find it difficult taking off the lace once it is on my hair. So it is practically easier for me this way, taking it off before applying it on my hair.
Hey, something good is gonna come my way. There's a feeling deep in my soul. It's a tingling in my hands, a sensation down in my bones. It's taking over me. It's a feeling that I know, like a rocket ready to explode. Something good. Something good.
Here is the hair cap. It comes with 2 hair caps. I'm not gonna be applying the top bond or the bond on my hair directly, so I'm doing this because sometimes when I add the top bond on my hair, it just becomes sticky on my hair, and I don't really like the way it pulls on my hair. So that is why I first apply the top bond on one of the caps and then use the other one first on my hair before putting on the one that has the bond.
The atmosphere is right for something nice. It's gonna change my life. Oh, something good. Something good is gonna come my way. Come my way. Hey, hey, hey. Something good is gonna come my way. That's gonna come my way. If I believe it, receive it, I know it's gonna be a real good day. I feel it coming, I feel it coming. Something good is gonna come my way. Come my way. a tingling in my hands, a sensation down in my bones. It's taking over me. It's a feeling that I know, like a rocket ready to explode. Something good, something good is gonna come my way. Come my way. Hey, hey, hey. The atmosphere is right for something nice. It's gonna change my life.
All right, everyone, we're done with this hairstyle. I'm just sprinkling water here. I mean, this hair is all shade of beauty and awesomeness and softness. Seriously, this is one beautiful, amazing human hair you want to have. I love the texture. I love the feel. It's so soft. I just want to keep combing it all day long because I just feel so good on this hair. I feel so good. I feel so elegant. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye.
Gonna change my